All right, ladies and gentlemen, so today's problem, there was no lesson to go with it because it was kind of putting together everything that we've been doing. You were given a table and then part of a tile pattern, and you had to come up with the rule. Like, that was the big part of this. Um, I think there might have been one other thing in the direction, but what we wanted you to do is find out the rule. Okay, the y equals mx plus b. So we need the growth and the starting point. I can see I don't have the starting point, and I don't know what the growth is either. So let's take what we know and put it into a table. Um, Figure 8, it shows over here, has 2. Okay, now I know that there's a big gap between here, but we can use our brains to figure out what that is going to be. So one way to do this is just by counting, right? So saying, okay, what if it's by 2s? And this would be 4, 6, 8, 10, oh my gosh, 12 works. Okay, if you don't want to guess and check like that, what else you could have done is you could have taken the difference between the two x values that you know. So this went up by 5 here. This was plus 5. And then this is plus 10. Okay, and then we could have divided out that difference. Plus 5, plus 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so telling us that our growth is 2. Either way, you should have gotten that growth was 2. So then I can fill in the rest of this table. So now I can write my rule. My growth is -2, right? Because I'm going down as I get bigger. And my starting point is here at 18. So your rule should have been y equals -2x plus 18. For your quiz this week, it's going to be something very similar to this. Okay, it's going to give you kind of broken parts of two different things, two different representations, and you got to put them together to try to come up with the rule.